Hi everyone, so I wanted to show you I'm making eggplant. Today. I think the mic was muted. So what I did here, I raised the onion. So this is one onion with the mustard seeds. I just put a sprinkling of mustard seeds and I'm letting it cook. And I cut up an eggplant here. So then while I have the tennis on, so, and then this is my turmeric here. So I'm just going to put a dash of turmeric. I don't put too much turmeric because it's got a bitter flavor. And then a bit of cumin. Just see this. That's the cumin. And then some coriander. Cumin also I don't put too much because cumin's also not that, it's a powerful thing. So and then this is the coriander. I'm just putting it in. I'm just mixing up all these. Let this cook. And I've got I'm going to put in 1 clove of garlic. I'm just cutting up the garlic today. I'm not using the garlic press. And some ginger. That's a little handful of ginger. I'm going to do a little more ginger. Here we go, just a few more little cubes of ginger, and then I like to get the aroma of the spices coming out, and it's on a medium heat, so it's not on a high heat. This ginger here. And then this is my eggplant, so I'm just adding it in now. I cut the chunks quite big. I like them big because they do, once it cooks, they get small. use my hands just to break them up. Cut them in nice big chunks. And I'm not a chef. I know some of the lawyers think I'm a chef, but I'm not. And then I just mix this. Just to get and I put in half a teaspoon of salt also, table salt. I don't use a lot of oil in my cooking either. Then I'm going to put in just a little bit of water in the center. I'm gonna cover this. I don't have the right size lid, but as long as it's covered, I don't have the bigger lid that fits that pan. And then it's on a medium heat, then I'll cook it. And today I'm also making some roast chicken, just a piece of roast chicken in the oven. And yeah, I'll have that for supper. So yeah, that's how I cook. And it doesn't take long. Today I felt like cooking, which is a good thing. The other days I was having like pre-prepared. I had made that chicken and kept it, and so I was just eating the leftovers. But today I'll have this.